Artificial intelligence is no longer just an idea. It's shaping the future right before our eyes. But with every step forward, we face new challenges that require careful thought and action. Today, we'll take a look at some of the most significant breakthroughs in AI and the ethical dilemmas that come with them. From self-driving cars to AI that writes like a human, we've seen incredible leaps in technology. One of the biggest game changers has been the evolution of natural language processing, or NLP for short. It's what powers tools like OpenAI's GPT, which can understand and generate human-like text. This breakthrough alone is transforming industries from customer service to healthcare. But that's not all. Automation is spreading into everything from manufacturing to financial market. AI agents are already making decisions that were once made by humans. This technology can predict trends, analyze data faster than we ever could, and even assist in complex surgeries. With great power, though, comes great responsibility. While AI brings efficiency, it also raises concerns. Will machines replace jobs? Could AI systems be biased or lead to privacy violations? These are some of the biggest questions we need to tackle as AI continues to evolve. Take job displacement as an example. On one hand, AI is opening up new opportunities and even creating jobs in fields that didn't exist just a few years ago. But on the other, it's replacing human workers in many traditional industries, leaving millions wondering what's next for them. Data privacy is another huge issue. AI systems thrive on data, tons of it. The more data they have, the better they become at predicting behaviors and solving problems. But how do we ensure that this data isn't misused? We've seen cases where sensitive information has been exposed or used without consent, and that's something we need to fix. As we push forward with AI, it's crucial to find the balance between innovation and ethical responsibility. What do you think? Where should AI draw the line? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos on AI and technology, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching.